Hello everyone. I am going to tell you how to append a record in a binary file. Now, before this, I suggest go through my video of creating a record. Things will be more clearer then. So, the first thing that we will do is we will import the pickle module, because in the pickle module we will be using two functions, dump and load. Dump is to write onto a binary file and load is to read from a binary file. The advantage of dump and load is that any Python data type can be converted to byte stream and vice versa. In our other functions, we will be also using the OS module. So I have imported both. Now, the file name in which I created the record was student. And here I am opening the file in the AB mode. A stands for append and B stands for appending in a binary file. Now I have taken this number.txt. In my create module, I have already created two records. So if you can, I'll show you what is already there in my number.txt is 2. That means I have added two records. Now the third time if I am going to write a record, what is it going to do is, it is going to read from the number.txt. And the mode that I have used for reading is R+. That means it will do both reading as well as writing. Now R+ mode may the file open will fail if the file does not exist on the hard disk. Now this is number.txt I have kept so that I give myself the admission number to the child and so that every child gets a unique admission number. Now I will read from the number.txt, which is right now 2, and it will be converted to integer and will be given to a variable admission number. I have used a while true infinite loop to tell the user that user can append as many records as they want. I have taken a dictionary in which I am going to add three things: the admission number, the name, and the phone number. Now, the key of the dictionary will be the admission number and the name and the phone number will be the value of the dictionary. So, in the 2 admission number, I have added 1 so that this child gets the third admission number, 3 admission number. So, like this, I am appending the name and the phone number in the list and I am adding a key value pair to my dictionary where ADMNO is the key and the list is a value. Now the command to write onto a binary file is pickle.dump, where I am writing the dictionary object onto my file F, and my file F is associated with student.add. Now I'm asking a user that they want to add more records, and if the answer is no, it will break and it will break out of this while true infinite loop. Now if it comes out of the loop, then I'm closing the student.add and I have to write the admission number back onto number.txt. So I will bring, since I have read my file and after reading the file pointer has come onto the first byte and I have to take my cursor to the 0th byte so that now when I write the admission number will be written onto the first byte so that the previous one will be overwritten by the new admission number. So seek is a function for randomly taking your file pointer anywhere. So 0 means to the beginning of the file because there is no data at the 0th byte, because whenever you read or write it is done from the next byte. So on the first byte, this ADMNO after being converted to str, which is 3 right now, will be written onto the file. And I am closing the number.txt. Let me now run and show it to you. So I have appended and I'm calling my function appendRec. Now you can see it is asking me the name. I'll enter the name, the phone number. Do you want to enter more records? I'll say no. So this one is the third record. Now I'll go to the number.txt and I show you, okay, the number has now become 3. So earlier it was 2. Once the third record was written, it will become 3. So I'm ensuring that every admission number is unique in my record.